Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring your phone meets requirements. Android 6, 0 or later, NFC on and a secure screen lock. Open Google Pay and go directly to Payments. Tap Add Payment Method and choose Card. Use the camera to scan or type the card number, expiry, and CVV, then follow the bank verification prompts. Once done, make sure the card shows as active in payments. This first step gets you a usable wallet card quickly, because verification prevents declined transactions. Next, configure behavior so payments happen smoothly. Set your default card under Payments Default Card. Choose the one you use most. Then add non-card items, loyalty, transit, and gift cards via passes and use scan or import options. For transit, activate the card and top up inside Google Pay when available, because that avoids separate apps. Once configured, test a small tap payment at any contactless reader to confirm the default and passes behave as expected. Finally, make a payment. Unlock your phone and hold the back near the contactless terminal until you see a confirmation. If a payment fails, first check NFC is enabled, the correct default card is selected, and battery saver is off. Those can block transactions. If the card is declined, verify bank alerts or temporary holds and contact your issuer if needed. As a last resort, remove and re-add the card in Google Pay. This refreshes tokens and often fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.